What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. And today I want to discuss Reflex Wars. Basically, that means Reflex Finance. And the reason why I do that is because it's tons of fun, and I'm all about having fun. So that's kind of why I do what I do. But more importantly, I want to go over some news about Reflex Finance, and I want to give you guys some perspective of why this is not, keyword being not, a scam. I know many people have been saying, oh, it's X, Y, and Z, it's a scam, it's yada, yada, yada. But when I cover everything and explain to you, if you still think this is a scam, then hey, go ahead and think what you think. So I wanted to start this video explaining that, oh my God, the Reflex Finance launch has been nothing short of astronomical and amazing, fantastic. There are so many adjectives I can use, but the best one being is moonshot. Here we are, folks, on the Reflex Finance hodler chart. There is currently 3,884 hodlers. I believe this morning it was around 2,700. So if my math is correct, and by no means am I a mathematician, this means that we've increased by about 1,100 or 1,200 estimated hodlers in one day. That is, well, folks, a lot of people FOMOing into a quote-unquote scam project. Now we're seeing people continually rush in, and we're seeing people on Twitter, etc., DMing me, bugging me, and saying, oh my God, hey John, why are you covering this trash? Why are you covering this garbage? Why are you covering this scam? Well, you know what? I cover anything that I find and deem interesting. Now, you have to ask yourself, did I ever cover EverReflect? Did I ever cover Wi-Fi? Did I ever cover Reflecto? Did I ever cover POW? Did I ever cover HODL for Gold? Well, folks, guess what? Those things are, in my opinion, hot garbage. That's kind of why I never covered it, because they never had an X factor. They never had the allure. But you have to ask yourself, who covered those crap coins? And those are the people that you should be going after, and you should be bugging, and you should be asking them for your money back, because I don't cover that hot garbage. And understand that if I cover something, that means that I believe something is there. Now, I want to show you the real reason of why I do not believe Reflex Finance is a scam. And again, if this is a scam, then you know what? I may have to take some notes, because, well, I'll share with you right now. Here we are, folks. This is something called Coin Market Cap. I'm not sure if you heard of this, but this is one of those legitimate web pages where you apply to and where you want to see your token on when you launch ASAP, as soon as possible. Oh, what does this say here? It says Reflex Finance. What in the world is going on? I recall seeing other tokens applying for CMC, and they didn't get it very soon, but Reflex Finance though, after one day of launch, the following day, I wouldn't even say this has been a week. It's literally been maybe 24, 36 hours since launch, and I'm seeing Reflex Finance on Coin Market Cap, a legitimate website where every token dreams of being on, and Reflex Finance is there right now. Well, holy cow, folks. Oh, are we on CoinGecko.com? Hold up. Does that say Reflex Finance? Again, I've seen other tokens, other launches. They want to get on CoinGecko and CMC ASAP, but Reflex Finance is on CoinGecko, literally 24 to 36 hours after launch. Holy moly. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if this is a scam, Reflex Finance, well, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that the legit tokens need to take notes and understand how to launch a scam token. Now, the reason why I keep on saying scam is not because I believe it. It's because I believe people are delusional and they believe everything they hear from other people. And there's a reason why I keep on saying scam. It is because I am trying to numb you to that word, because in my opinion, Reflex Finance is anything and far from a scam. And as you know, in any technology business, no idea is a new idea. They are recycled and they are bettered. And when they are bettered, that's called an iteration. And an iteration is called innovation. Now, let that sink into you guys for a second, folks. Now, again, I do want to clarify and say one more time, if Reflex Finance is a scam, then how in the heck did they get into CoinMarketCap and Reflex Finance so fast? Would a scam artist go through the trouble, especially in cryptocurrency where it's easy to scam anybody and it's pretty much the Wild West? Well, I would say no, because case in point, why would you go through the trouble of doing a little extra work for a little bit extra money? In my opinion, it does not seem likely. And the fact that this has been expedited, if anything, it does not say this is a scam. This says the Reflex Finance team knows what in the heck they're doing. The leadership, the support, the maintenance, the mods, they are all in it and they are all doing their best. And you know what, folks? Their best is shining and it's showing through. Now, if anyone else says this is a scam, I would advise you to point them to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and show them how fast it's been launched on these valid websites where many other tokens took way longer than 1 day. Some have seen months, weeks, but Reflex Finance has done it in an expeditious manner. Now let me go ahead and cover those Reflex Finance charts. Okay, folks, we are currently looking at the Reflex Finance charts. We can see currently it is worth $28 million market cap on literally the second day, and it hasn't even been a whole day. It's really been only about 36 hours since launch. Now, I am using the 15-minute perspective because, as you know, this token has only been launched for literally 36 hours from launch, and that means that we have to use a shorter time frame to get more candlesticks to get a better idea of what can potentially happen. And please understand, everything from a chart perspective right now is all literally price discovery. Now, we saw in our first open here, it literally went up to the high of 13297, and that was at around $75 million market cap. Okay, folks, we currently have a few supports and resistance, okay, at 2749 and 3606. But of course, bear in mind that these are very short term and they are easily broken up and broken down. So right now, everyone is determining where will Reflex Finance settle down. So once we are able to see where Reflex Finance settles down in terms of trading sideways and building that strong support and floor, well, ladies and gentlemen, currently we are looking to trade at above, at least in my opinion, at least $20 million market cap. If that can maintain, then ladies and gentlemen, in my opinion, that is a great and an amazing, fantastic floor to bounce from. Now, you do have to understand that there are literally whales, and I've done some analysis for you guys. As of this recording, there are over 483 addresses with 100 billion tokens and above. There are only 483 addresses. Of course, the first 5 are most likely going to be your dev wallet, your dead wallet, etc. So really, we have literally about 477 addresses or possibly individuals who I would say are quote unquote whales. And this literally only counts the 100 billion and above. Now, if we continue to see this expeditious growth in Reflex Finance, then my God, we may see the days of 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 hodlers nonstop all day, every day. And the reflections will flow and the Reflex Wars will continue. The best way for you guys to support the channel is by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL. Get $250 in Bitcoin using my BlockFi.com/HeyJohn link down below in the description. Get $25 in Crypto.com, and most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.